y'all, welcome to another one of my vlogs. If you're new here, I'm Megan. Today y'all, I'm going super casual. As you could see, I got my hat on, I got my thank you God tea, and I got this tea from the Raw Dosage. I really love her merch. And then I got some little slides from Steve Madden. So yeah, y'all, we're going real comfy casual today. I have, let me turn y'all around. I have a lot of errands to run, so I'm definitely taking y'all with me. I am not looking the best because, child, your girl is about to get glammed up. Go and get these nails done. Go and get these lashes. Y'all, I have an eyelash appointment for some eye extensions, which this is not my first time getting eye extensions. I actually got eye extensions about maybe 3 years ago. I really was not into makeup like talking about. So I really did not appreciate them. So I'm gonna be trying them again because I just wanna wake up without trying to put on the falsies and, looking like something. So we're gonna go ahead and try the eyelash extensions again. Got to get these nails done, and I'm going to get myself a pedicure. For those of you that don't know, I am a teacher and we are off for the summer, and it's really not off. It's really, we're resetting, because if anybody has worked with children, you already know. So I'm gonna be resetting this summer, and I'm not doing summer school. I'm just taking this time to myself to be with my family. Y'all, it's been a rough 2020, 2021 school year. So yeah, I'm just taking a much needed break. But before we do all of that, I'm going to be working out, y'all. I'm just trying to get my angles together, y'all. I'm trying to get my angles together. I have been working out for quite some time. I want to say since April, I've been working out for real. But these last 2 weeks, I had to kind of stop because things got a little hectic. I was in a wedding. So yeah, all that stuff, I kind of got off my grind. So we're going back to that. I'm trying this week to work out every single day. So I'm going to be documenting it, and I'm going to probably do like a reel or something. So follow me on Instagram if you're not following me. So yes, y'all, real casual for now. But when we come back, baby, we're going to be looking glammed up. Let's go. All right, y'all, I got the workout gear on, and yeah, I just got something. This is like my little favorite workout gear. I like that it has little ridges on the side, and yeah, y'all, we're gonna work on this. Yeah, this is it. We're about to get our workout on, and I'm gonna definitely show y'all a little bit of our workout. Like I said, I'm trying to do 5 days this week, and maybe more, like maybe every day. But yes, y'all, this is how the body is looking. I am more so ready to, I just kind of want to tighten and tone. You see this midsection right here. Whew. I mean, I don't think it's bad for 2 kids. Like, I don't think it's bad at all for 2 kids, But yes, we're about to get this workout on, and yeah. All right, finish our workout. Now we're going to drop May. You sit in the front. Y'all, that was intense. I feel good though. I'm glad that I went and worked out. It feels good to be back on the grind. Like I said, I missed about 2 weeks. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and drop this one off. She's excited because she did virtual all year long. So this summer program is totally optional, and I felt like she needed to go since she did virtual all year long. So Meaghan has been dropped off. Y'all, I always wait till the last minute to get gas. I need to go get some gas. It's terrible. Why does the lighting look like this? Oh, y'all, I hate that. I can't. And even though I just worked out, y'all, I need something to drink, which I am like a sweet tea fanatic. And so I really want a large sweet tea, but I think I'm gonna start doing my half cut sweet teas. Like I used to do half sweet tea, half unsweetened tea, and that pretty much, satisfied my craving for sweet tea. So I think that's what I'm gonna start doing, y'all. I need to get back on it. Like I was doing so well pre-pregnancy. I'm gonna say pre-pregnancy, Mackenzie, and I just loved my body transformation. But you know, things happen, and now we're back to not to square one, but I just need to get my fitness goals together. And along with the fitness goals, I really need to get the dietary goals too. I don't want to be on keto. I don't want to do vegan. I just want to do something that I can continue to do, you know, as a lifestyle. I feel like with keto, you know, I've seen people like get on keto, and then after they're done with keto, they just gain all their weight back, and that's definitely not what I want to do. So I don't want to do the fad diets. I really want to just try to do lifestyle changes like I was in the beginning. Prior to Mackenzie, you know, I was just eating healthier. I still had my things that I love to eat, and I would, you know, do portion control, and I would actually eat those things, but it wasn't like on an everyday basis. So I definitely need to get back to that, and we'll see some progress, and so hopefully I'll see some progress. But yes, y'all, I need to go get me some gas, and I need to go take a quick shower and get back to still looking busted. I'm gonna see if the eyelash appointment can be moved up, because I really don't want to, you know, waste a lot of time. Or I might go to Home Goods and get some things for my bedroom. I don't know, y'all, but we'll just go with the flow. I definitely need something to drink because I am parched. I should be drinking water. In fact, that's what I need to be doing. I left my water at my mom's house, but I need to be drinking more water. In fact, I think I'm gonna try to challenge myself to actually drink at least a gallon. Now, it's better late than never to start fitness goals. And like, I think I like restart all the time. As long as, to me, as long as you're restarting, then you can't go wrong with that.
Welcome to McDonald's.
Yes, can I get a large half-cut tea?
Okay.
And that will be it.
It's 109.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
How you doing?
Hi, thank you.
You have a nice day.
You too. These planters are cute, but I don't think they are outside planters. I really like this pillow. This is cute. This will go perfect in my room. I like this print. They have these baskets, but I'm looking for black. This is cute. Masks. I need this. I got my eyelashes done. I do like them. I think they look really good. Alright, y'all, so got my nails did, got my toes did. I'll show y'all a little later. Y'all, I am pooped. My voice is a little cracked because I haven't talked for both of my appointments. The eyelash appointment, of course you can't really talk, and then whenever you do your nails, I mean, we really don't talk. I'm a quiet person by nature, so it's like, it's not abnormal for me at all not to talk for hours. So yeah, my voice feels like a little wet, raspy. Y'all, I'm so hungry. It has to be, I started this venture off at 1. It is now 6:30 and I need me some food. Ordered my food from Chipotle, So yes, y'all, I'm gonna go on my way to go ahead and get it. But that pedicure was so bomb.com. Like, I need to come there. This is my first time there. Everybody was telling me how good they were, and now I see what they're talking about. Like, I am definitely going back. My feet feel so amazing. Now the I got ombre nails. I love them, but I mean, to me they're not really worth the price. So that'll probably be my first and last time. But let me get off this phone. I mean, let me get off this camera so I can go ahead and drive and not get in a wreck. All right, got my Chipotle. I am so hungry. I'm about to tear it up. So I got quesadillas. Salsa is flying everywhere. I'm hungry. Let me just dig in. I'm annoyed though, because the salsa just flew all on my car. Good thing I'm going to get it cleaned tomorrow. But yeah, y'all, that is the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.